Now we are going to solve a problem on a cycloid of a 40 millimeter diameter circle. So it is essential to know what is the meaning of a cycloid. Cycloid is nothing but cycloid is a locus of a point on a circle. Cycloid is a locus of a point on a circle which is moving on a straight line without slipping. What will happen as this circle will start rolling along a straight line without slipping? This point on the circle initially will start moving in upward direction and going forward up till this circle will complete half of its rotation, and again from that it will start coming in downward direction. It will reach to horizontal level of the initial position when the circle will complete its one full rotation. So this curve obtained or generated is called as a cycloid. Our problem statement is to draw a cycloid of a circle which is having 40 millimeter diameter. First step, draw a circle. Draw a circle of 40 millimeter diameter. Draw a circle of 40 millimeter diameter. With that, it is essential to draw one vertical line and one horizontal line also. These are essential to divide the circle into 12 equal parts. Now, you have to divide the circle into 12 equal parts, the video of which already I have uploaded before few days. You can check there. So, divide the circle into 12 equal parts. After that, from this base point, draw horizontal line. From center point, draw horizontal line. From topmost point, draw horizontal line. Radius here is 20 millimeter. Here you have to find one calculation, that is circumference of the circle, which is equal to pi d. Find the value of pi d. Your pi here is 3.14 multiplied by diameter is 40. So the value will be tentatively around equal to 124 millimeter. It is tentatively 124 millimeter. From the point C, center of this circle, mark a point C12 at a distance of pi d. This total distance from C to C12 equal to circumference of the circle, which is equal to pi d. In this case, tentatively it is 124. So divide this distance into 12 equal parts. I have told you one video is there how to divide a line segment into equal number of parts. Using that, divide it into 12 equal parts. You can give number to all these points as this is first is C, then it is C1, C2, C3, C4, C5, C6, C7, C8, C9, C10, C11, and last is C12. After that, you have to draw horizontal lines through all other points also on the circle. Through these 2 points, one horizontal line. Through next these 2 points, one another horizontal line. Through these 2 points, one another horizontal line, and finally through these 2 points, again one another horizontal line. With that, you can also give numbers to all these points on the circle. Last point you can name as 12, starting this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, and last is 12. Always remember, in this curve, in all out cycloid, epicycloid, whatever may be, the last point, touching point, the base bottommost point should be 12, and the next point you can start numbering 1, 2, 3, 4, etc. Now the next step is very very important. Take radius of the circle 20 in this case in your compass, and from point C1, still listen carefully, from first point C1, draw or cut one arc path to the line passing through point 1. 1 is here, 1 का line यहाँ पे है, तो C1 as a center, here you have to cut just like this. C1 as a center, cut arc passing through, horizontal line passing through 1. Then come to point C2 as a center, you have to cut 2 का line. C2 as a center, you have to cut line passing through 2. C3 as a center, 3 का line cut करना है आपको. C4 as a center, you have to cut line of 4. C5 as a center, you have to cut line of 5 passing through 5. C6 as a center, it will not cut, it will just touch that line. So one thing you can also do, C3, 6, see the vertical line you can draw, will get directly that point. C7 onwards, you have to remember one thing, from C7 onwards you have to cut at right side, not left side. C7 number point is here, 7 ka horizontal line in this way. From C7 you have to cut right side. C8 cut here, C9 you will cut here, C10 you will cut here, C11 you will cut here, and for C12 directly its vertical line, here you will get the last point. And your last step to get the curve, your last step to generate the curve or get the curve is to join all these points in a sequence. C12 as a first point, यहाँ पे आपका पहला कट मिला था, you have to join to this point, then this is second point, then this third, and this point. All these points you have to join in this way. This curve is called as a cycloid. So to draw this cycloid, you can draw either freehand or using a French curve. So this is a way or method how to construct a cycloid of circle with 40 millimeter diameter.